I had already cut one side there, but I'm going to go ahead and do a video on installing this bed slide into my HD, my 2500 HD. I didn't see many videos out there of people actually installing it, so I'm going to do one. Here's the start. They delivered a package. RL Carriers delivered it to my front door. It's in here, not packed nice and neat. In this package, I got the bed slide kit that you do not have to drill holes in your bed. So here goes. I'm going to go ahead and cut the plastic off, and I'll come back to the video in a minute. Start by saying that they did not, this is not a gift or anything from Bedslide. I actually paid for this out of my pocket. Here's the part numbers for it. There's the part number for the Bedslide itself, and this is going to be the part number for the kit, the non-invasive kit. This kit you use to not have to screw holes in your bed. There it is, all unwrapped with plastic. I'm gonna go ahead and open the box up, and I'll come back again. The box flipped open. I haven't touched anything. I just flipped it in the open position. I hope that there's not a piece missing. I see one. I haven't touched anything at all. I see that there's a 90-degree there. I don't see another 90-degree. I see two 90s, but there's a 90-degree angle. I only see one of them. And no, those go up in the front corner. So let's go ahead and go through here and see what else we have. Well, it's in for those guys who are curious. Went in pretty easy. The brackets were pretty easy to mount. There's the mounts back there in the back. It's pulled a partial way out now. I'll put it in. That is all the way in there. It actually clicks and locks. And actually, when you pull it all the way out, it's got one lock there. Then there's another lock there. And then here's your 70% lockout right there, just for those who want to know. So I am happy with the design. I'm happy how it looks. The only issue is I was missing a corner piece that goes in the corner. I called. He said he'd ship it out. It'd take probably about 2 to 3 days to get here. We'll see how that goes. Other than that, that's all, guys. I just want to give everybody a video and had questions like I had. How did the non-drill brackets go in? Fairly easy, simple, quick enough. The hardest part of that was just getting the nuts underneath the anchors and holding them in place until you get some tension on their carriage bolts. So that's it. Bolt the corners up to that front bracket. That front bracket goes all the way across the front of it, and it bolts to it. And then the back is 2 little small brackets. And that's it. You pull the handle, and it slides in, locks, and then slides in, locks again, and it slides all the way in and locks in place. And there it is. Hope you guys enjoyed the little video I made. Thanks.